Hi, welcome to Doris and Kids. If you're new here, my name is Doris. I'm a single mom of four that's homeschool. I'm in college myself and I work full time. And I'm trying to mend my relationship with the Christ. With me being busy and things like that, I haven't been doing Bible study like I used to, like I want to. So for 2025, I make a new planner because before my 2024, I did scripture writing and I wrote down prayers and my thought and things like that. And I just listened to the Bible recast for the whole month, for the whole Bible. I went through the whole Bible again for 2024. So for 2025, I want to focus on specific on the New Testament because I like the Old Testament. I find myself spending a lot of times in there, but a lot of the teaching of the New Testament, I'm kind of lacking. And I want to go more into depth with that. So for all of 2025, all I'm going to focus on is the New Testament. I may just do three books out of there because I just really want to go deep into that. But I haven't decided yet. If I do the whole New Testament next year, I'm probably just going to do a Pacific Bible study for a specific book for a couple of months and then move to the next month. That is right now my plan. But for me to do that, I decided to make a planner that works for me instead of just having blank page and just doing a scripture writing like I did last year. So this is going to be the cover for my 2025 planner. And this right here, it was God speaking to me. I'm not joking. I was looking at the computer trying to figure out what I wanted for my Bible cover, and all I heard is what is holding you back. What is holding back? And I'm like, yeah, what is holding me back? What is holding me back to have a relationship with Christ that I want? Like I'm craving God, and I know that because I'm just like a lot of my prayer, because I write my prayer requests that I'm praying for the week. I went back for 2024, and it's just God, let me trust you. God, let me trust you. It's like repeating over again. Either let me trust you, God, why am I not trusting? Why am I having issue? Things like that. It just focus on me questioning why I'm not putting my foot forward. So that is what popped into my head. What is holding back? So I put that on here for my planner to remind me throughout 2025. Just let go. I know you like to have control. Let go. Let God trust. Let God take control of it. Trust God. So in the back of it, that is exactly what I put. Trust the Lord, because that is what I need to work on for 2025. Is just to trust Him. Because throughout my life, throughout going through the divorce and with kids and things like that, He has always pulled through. He has put people into my life at the right moment, at the right time to help me get through it. He has given resources. He has just been great. I have not had a moment where I'm just like, God, why aren't you helping me? Some of the time I'm thinking about having me pray out loud, and He answered that prayer for me. Like all of 2024, I'm not joking. Before, I'm just like, okay, God's trying to teach me a lesson. But 2024, before I even think about something, it was provided for me. It was there. It was there to help me, and throughout everything, throughout my issue with money, and He has just been there for me all year long. And I don't know what is holding me back. So that is what I put on here. And I'm going to focus on the New Testament. The reason the cover is not on here because it's a little bit big than what it needs to be. This is a regular classy size. And I need to trim that down because I have an issue finding the right percentage to print it from, because the design is a letter size. So I need to shrink it down, and I couldn't really find the right size. But I found it because my nursing planner is the exact size that I need for that. Okay, so for my planner, for my Bible study plan, I decided to use a SOAP method to study the scripture. Um, just because I heard about it, I really haven't implemented. This will be my first implementing it. And of course, I decided to make my own insert because I'm poor and broke. And I'm going to list this on Etsy because I'm poor and broke. Any kind of extra income would be great. But this is what I made. But this is how I lay out. I just have it on top what method I'm using, and I have the scripture, application, observation, and prayer. And then on top, if I'm setting John 7 verse 2, I'm just going to write it up here, and then I'm just going to write the whole scripture in here, the whatever day I'm studying it for, and then I have the date up there. And it basically just repeats itself throughout in here. And I start away from the back because it's like all the way back here. Okay, and then the next thing I'm going to have in my Bible planner is I'm going to have a Bible study guide. That way, this is specific for each Bible. Like I said, I want to go deeper into the New Testament. So this is for each Bible. Whenever I'm reading, not each Bible, each book of the Bible. So let's just say I'm reading Matthew. I'm going to write that up here, the book of the Bible, and I'm going to write the time period it was written, the author, the original audience, the purpose of it, because I want to, like I said, I want to go deeper into it. And then I have the key people, key places, key themes, and then major events, application, and key verse I need to remember. This is what I came up with. I don't know. I saw something of this on Etsy, and I was going to order it, but I think what was not in there is that I didn't have the time period, and it didn't have the purpose. And I wanted to know why each book was written and stuff like that. That way I can apply it to my life more. And I just have I have some of these up here. And I think I printed it for exact. I printed them out for how many I need for specific all the books for the New Testament. And then in the back of it, I just have a blank page. I just love having blank page in my Bible study, just because things just pop to mind when you're reading the Bible, and I need a place to write it down. I want to keep everything in place. And I'm gonna also use it for my prayer list, prayer requests, anything like that. So that's all I'm going to have for my planner, my Bible study planner for 2025. It's just the SOAP method, and then focusing on a specific book of the Bible to just better help me get a closer relationship with Christ, because I'm lacking that. Like I said, this is in my head all the time. What is holding back? If you have any comment or suggestion as to how I can make my study of New Testament way deeper than I am right now, please let me know, because I do want to go deeper into the New Testament. If you think I need to focus on one book for like 3 to 4 months, let me know and your reason why. Like I said, the whole purpose of this for me to have a closer relationship with Christ. Like I feel like I'm lacking right now. Like I'm really, I don't know how to explain it. I just like I need to be more closer to God than I am right now. What is going on? So if you have any kind of study that can help that focus on the New Testament, please let me know. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'm going to be posting some stuff in my Bible study. A lot of the time I don't post because it's very personal. I'm going to try to figure out a way to cover stuff out in case it helps somebody, create a relationship with Christ as well. So thank you so much and have a blessed day. Bye.